What's up everyone? Bird's eye travel here. Think you've seen Switzerland? You've seen the postcards, the chocolate boxes, the classic shots. But I guarantee you've never seen it like this. We're about to go on a journey, an aerial odyssey, to find the 10 most unreal spots in the country. Places so epic, so mind-bendingly beautiful, you'll be convinced they're CGI. But they're not. They're real, and we're going to explore them from a perspective that changes everything. This is a full 4K cinematic drone tour. We're flying high, diving low, chasing the light to capture the soul of these landscapes. I've spent weeks planning, hiking and flying to curate this list. We're counting down from number 10 all the way to what I believe is the most jaw-dropping, surreal location. So, buckle up, hit full screen. This is a visual feast. Let's get into it. The camera isn't just a tool, it's a key to unlock a deeper feeling. Today, we're using that key to open up a country many think they know. We're searching for moments where light, landscape and perspective collide. From ancient glaciers to impossible blue lakes and peaks that scrape the sky. This is my love letter to Switzerland, captured from the air. Are you ready? Our countdown of the 10 most unreal spots starts right now. Number 10. Beat. Imagine where we're going next. Transition. All right, kicking off our countdown at number 10, we're going straight to the top. Literally. Welcome to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. Getting here is an adventure in itself, a train ride that tunnels through the heart of the mountains. Eiger, Munch. But when you step out at 3,454 meters, the world transforms. The air is thin, crisp, and the silence is broken only by the wind. Rock, ice, sky. From up here, you don't just see the Alps, you feel them. This isn't just a viewpoint, it's a different planet. The Sphinx Observatory, perched like a villain's lair. Sending the drone up from here feels like launching a spaceship. The real magic is in aerial details. Dunes, ripples, and the start of the Aletsch Glacier, snaking through the valleys. Brilliant white against deep, dark crevasses. You feel incredibly small in this immense, frozen wilderness. Flying here is a challenge. Altitude, cold, unpredictable winds. Every battery drains faster, every movement has to be deliberate. But the reward is shots like these. Shots that show the sheer, raw power of the high alpine environment. Eiger, Munch, Jungfrau. It's the perfect place to start our journey. Jungfraujoch sets the stage for Switzerland's epic scale. Sometimes you have to rise above it to truly see it. Change your perspective, get a little uncomfortable, and look down from where the air is thin and the views are infinite. This is just number 10, and we're already above the clouds. Imagine where we're going next. Coming in at number 9, we're descending from the icy peaks to the serene shores of Lake Geneva. This is the Château de Chillon. If you've ever dreamt of a fairy tale castle, this is it. It's not just a castle, it's an architectural island, a stone fortress that seems to float on the water's surface. From the air, its full story comes alive. Courtyards, towers, defensive walls, perfectly in harmony with the landscape. Medieval stone, placid water, colossal mountains. This juxtaposition makes the shot feel unreal. We waited for golden hour. The sun kisses the ramparts, the water becomes a perfect mirror. Fly low to capture the castle and its double, broken only by gentle ripples. From the front, formidable. From the side, elegant windows hint at noble life within. Every angle tells a different story. The drone lets us peek into hidden spaces, glide along battlements. Chillon is a time capsule, 1,000 years of history set against an astonishing backdrop. For our number 8 spot, we're trading serene beauty for pure, unadulterated power. This is the Rhine Falls, Europe's mightiest waterfall by volume. This isn't a tall, elegant cascade. It's a wide, furious torrent you feel in your chest. The sound is a constant, deafening roar, the air thick with mist. To truly understand its scale, get airborne. It's terrifying and exhilarating. Wind, updrafts, relentless spray. From above, you see the calm Rhine become chaos as it's forced over a jagged ledge, an explosion of white water. The Rhinefall Felsen splits the cascade, orbit the rock as water hammers it from all sides. Sun hits the spray and the scene fills with rainbows. It's a living entity. The drone captures textures inside the chaos, churning whirlpools, standing waves, intricate foam patterns, 1,000 beautiful details. It's not quiet, not peaceful, not subtle. It's loud, proud, magnificent, a force of nature that demands respect. And from the air, it gets the epic canvas it deserves. All right, from the thunder of the Rhine to supernatural tranquility. At number 7, Blausee, tucked in forest, intimate. A jewel. The name means blue lake. Emerald and cobalt so vivid they feel unreal. Underground springs feed crystal clear water. You see every stone, every log, trout suspended like in air. Clarity plus minerals equals the impossible blue. Fly slowly, deliberately. Top down is best. Ascend to frame a glowing gem in green. Reflections become a mirror. The line between real and reflection dissolves. Legend says a maiden's tears turned the lake blue. The submerged statue is hauntingly beautiful, a human story in the wonder. Blausee is a lesson in small wonders, power in purity, colour, stillness. It forces you to slow down and just look, a tiny pocket of CGI in a Swiss forest. For our number 6, a geological wonder that feels extraterrestrial, Creux du Van. It's not a mountain, not a canyon, something else entirely. A colossal natural amphitheater. A perfect semicircle over a kilometre wide, dropping 160 metres, carved by relentless freeze-thaw over millennia. At the rim, scale overwhelms. So vast, so geometrically perfect, it almost looks man-made, like a giant quarry, but all natural. On the ground, you see a fraction. From the air, the breathtaking arc is revealed, the defining shot of Creux du Van. Fly the rim, trace limestone layers, evidence of millions of years. Dip into the basin, green life below, stark grey rock above. Spot the ibex, calm on impossible ledges. What's unreal is the surprise, gentle Jura meadows, then the land falls away into spectacle. Geological shock and awe. We've made it to the top 5. Back to the high Alps for something ancient and monumental, the great Aletsch Glacier, the largest in the Alps. 23 kilometres of ice. A frozen river carving mountains for thousands of years. A living relic of the Ice Age. Not just snow, a moving, textured river with dark medial moraines formed where tributaries merge. A visual record of its journey. From high above, it dominates the landscape. Closer, intricate patterns emerge, deep blue crevasses and moulins plunging into the glacier's depths. You can't see it move, but you feel unstoppable motion, a force that shaped mountains, yet fragile and receding, a barometer of our climate. Every crack and meltwater stream tells a story of our time. Flying Aletsch is like an alien world, surreal shapes, deep blues, colossal scale. Beautiful, tragic, an essential Swiss experience. For our number 4, we trade wilderness for Lucerne's heart, the Kapellbrücke, Chapel Bridge, Europe's oldest covered wooden bridge. 17th century paintings line the roof panels, depicting Lucerne's history. Walking through is like a storybook. From the air, you see it as the city's heartbeat. Dawn or dusk is the classic moment. Mirror still water. As first light glows, the bridge and Wasserturm reflect perfectly. Medieval charm meets morning calm. Fly slowly along its length to admire the diagonal. Not straight by design, it once linked fortifications across the Reuss. Frame Pilatus and Rigi behind, city meets mountains. A survivor rebuilt after the 1993 fire, a symbol of resilience. Sunlit planks, cascading flowers, the Stoic Tower. Human history, beautifully alive. Top 3, Oeschinensee, a Bob Ross painting come to life. Gondola up, short hike, and the scene reveals. A milky turquoise lake fed by high glacial brooks. Blumlisalp, Oeschinenhorn, Frundenhorn, a dramatic amphitheater plunging to the shore. The scale is immense. You feel embraced by the peaks. Made for drones, climb to reveal the full shape, top down to set turquoise against dark rock. Fly center and look back at the panorama. Water, rock, sky. We watch the light for hours. Morning peaks ignite. Afternoon amplifies the turquoise. Sunset paints Blumlisalp. A red rowboat gliding, a tiny speck in vast blue-grey. Human moments tell the story. It feels sacred, UNESCO, nature's artistry, so pure you'll think someone painted it there. Number 2, Lauterbrunnen, a place so dramatic it's said to have inspired Tolkien's Rivendell. The name means many fountains. A glacial U-shaped valley with sheer cliff faces, 72 waterfalls plunging into the green floor. Stand below like a natural cathedral. The Lucerne's gentle rush, distant roars from falls. Water everywhere. Staubach drops nearly 300 meters, turning to mist before ground. Fly alongside, watch water dance on wind. Frame the church with Staubach, quintessential Switzerland. Trummelbach's 10 glacial waterfalls thunder inside the mountain, capture the exterior bursts of power. Vertical cliffs, plunging water, green pastures, grey rock, ancient and powerful. Every angle feels like a fantasy epic. It's just incredible. And here we are, the number 1 most unreal spot in Switzerland. For me, it had to be the Matterhorn. Not just a mountain, an emblem of the Alps and of adventure. It stands alone, its 4 faces aligned to the compass, catching light like no other. We waited in car-free Zermatt for perfect conditions, because light is everything. At sunrise, the peak ignites, fiery alpine glow while the valley stays blue and cold. The drone explores what only elite climbers saw, sheer north face of rock and ice, circling ridges as light carves edges, raw textures, unforgiving beauty. It dominates the skyline, shifts with weather, tells a story of geological violence and timeless beauty, the ultimate challenge and the ultimate muse. Its silhouette feels impossibly perfect. Watching light carve its ridges is the most unreal, CGI-like, profoundly beautiful sight. Without a doubt, number 1. And that's a wrap. From the top of Europe all the way to the Matterhorn. 10 spots, 10 proofs that Switzerland's beauty is on another level. Blausee, Lauterbrunnen and the Matterhorn. We flew through valleys, over glaciers and next to castles. An epic journey and a labour of love to bring you a new perspective. To make you feel like you were right there, soaring. The real world often outdoes imagination, and Switzerland proves it. Which one blew your mind? The impossible blue of Blausee, the drama of Lauterbrunnen? Or did the Matterhorn take it for you too? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this cinematic drone tour, smash that like, subscribe to Bird's Eye Travel, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next journey. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and create something.